If you are someone who want to speak English confidently, then this video is for you. You have to watch this video till the very end because there are 4 steps which I followed to become a confident English speaker. I am going to share those 4 steps with you which you can start following right today and you can see the improvement in your communication within 10 days. So my brother, in those 4 steps, that 4th step is really important to improve your communication skills drastically. So my brother, I am going to reveal those 4 steps which I followed that you can follow right now. The first step that I followed to improve my communication skill is I just avoided everyone whoever is speaking Telugu around me. You should do the same. My brother, you have to use your mobile. Your mobile is the powerful machine that you have in your hands. So use it. Don't listen to Telugu. Don't listen to people who are speaking Telugu around you. The natural process of learning a language is you have to listen. Just remember, a small kid, a just born baby, he will be listening to your Telugu or English or Kannada, whatever may be the language. The natural process of learning a language is the first step. You have to listen. You should keep on listening to the particular language. Then only you will be able to understand how that particular language is spoken. The second step that you need to follow is you should start speaking out. No matter if the people around you are laughing at you, let them laugh. Now they are laughing, but after 10 days, after 15 days, you are better than them. You should be able to speak English better than them while they are not able to speak English because you started speaking out. The first step, you were listening to those English words, listening to that English language continuously. Now you are trying to replicate it. Whatever you were listening, you should be speaking out. This is the second step, that you should speak out. People will laugh at you. Let them laugh, and you laugh at them because after 1 month or after 15 days they are not able to speak English, but you will be able to speak English like a confident person. Now the third step, which is very important in English communication. This third step, you should be able to follow it practically in your life. Then what is this third step? This third step, you should start thinking in English. You should speak to yourself inside your brain in English. Whatever the mother tongue you have right now, whenever you are thinking inside your brain, that means you are talking to yourself inside your brain in your mother tongue. But you should change that. You should start thinking in English. You should start speaking to yourself in English inside your brain. This is a very crucial part that you need to learn. Now comes the very important step. This is the 4th step, that you should work on your accent. My brother, every English speaker in his beginning stage of communication, he will have the mother tongue influence on his English, just like this. Bro, let's go out, bro. I have to eat, bro. Let's go out. This is the example of Telugu language influence on English. You should overcome that. Your mother tongue influence should not be there on your English language. With these 4 steps, you will be able to speak English confidently. Right now, you can start improving your communication skills with your mobile. Take that mobile and delete all the channels in your mobile which will sound Telugu. If you want me to make more videos regarding this English communication skills, just comment below so that I will understand that you people want to improve your communication skills, so that I will make more videos on how to improve your communication in English. Don't forget to comment. Just comment below and let me know. I will produce more videos on communication skills.